Stay healthy, stay on track.
Yes, hit up Malie or hit me up, depending on who you're connected with, and we can give you more information about the Zyto Scan and go from there, or at least. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and we have
Malie Simpson.
That's right, and today we're going to go over what exactly is a Zyto Scan, and I'm going to get my reading done, and so I've had this done already a couple times, but it's so important to figure out where you're at so that you can get to where you need to go with regards to your health. And we also have Instagram Live over there on that tripod. It might be hard to see, but right there. And then we have Malie going live on Facebook right there. Okay, that was kind of cool. Okay, so I'm going to get those started right now, and we're just going to go over what a Zyto Scan is briefly, and then get my reading, and then do a little recap of the results. So I'm going to get that started right now. Here we go.
Sounds like fun.
Okay. Going live. Hello, everyone on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. What's up, family? Okay, here we go.
We have cameras everywhere. We wanted to record this today because we are going to do a Zyto Scan on Lance today. We've used this a lot in the past. We haven't had it running for a while, so we thought it'd be really fun to record it and do it live on all the social media to kind of for people to see how it works. So the Zyto Scan looks like this. So people think it's kind of like a big large mouse for the computer, and it kind of is, but it works. It's what it is. It's a biocommunication. So your body has energy fields running all throughout your body to all your different organs. And this machine here with the metal plates is going to send electrical signals to your body, and your body's going to respond based on what things are going on in your body. So it's really cool because it's a very non-invasive way to kind of get a little inside look of what's going on in all your different organs. And this could be your brain, it could be your cardiovascular, it could be your hormonal system, your endocrine system, your digestive system, all the different systems in your body. So, are you ready to get started, Lance?
Yes, I'm excited. Woo!
Woohoo!
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so I have you already in our system here.
Okay.
So I'm going to have him put his hand. So our hand has reflex points all over. Our feet do too, in different parts of our body. But our skin actually can read those electrical impulses that are going. So his body is going to respond, and the machine is going to record it, and it's going to recommend natural solutions, supplements that would best help Lance get back into the groove of things, because he's not always, it's not perfect, right?
That's right. Far from perfect.
Okay, so put your hand there on the scanner there.
Okay.
And then we're going to get you started. Yay, it's working.
Okay.
So we're going to just press the go button here.
All right.
Now it usually takes about 5 minutes. When you have a little bit more issues than the average, then it can take a little bit longer. But it takes usually less than 5 minutes to get yourself scanned. So it is called a biosurvey, and it is just measuring the galvanic skin response in the body.
I don't feel anything right now.
No?
It's just, reading my electrical impulses on my hands, so we're good. Oh, yeah, there you
Yeah,
go.
I'm going to see if I can move it closer so we can see.
Yeah, there we go.
You see it there?
Boom, right there. That's where it's happening.
So he said he's not feeling anything. Some people do feel a little bit of a pulse going through, but rarely people do.
Well, I felt a little
Did
vibrate.
you feel a little vibrating?
Yeah, a little.
Cool.
Yeah.
So it's just affecting the different parts of your energy field, your body. It's sending a bunch of signals, 72 to be exact, to all different points throughout your whole body. And your body is going to respond depending on where it's at, how healthy that response is. So we want to have low, a higher the number means you have more points in your body that could use something to help it perform at the optimal level.
Or in other words, if there's more biomarkers out of whack, then that means there's more opportunity that we have for our health. And so we want a really low number that's out of balance. So we'll see how much out of balance I am exactly. Yeah, I've had high numbers before and low numbers, and it really just depends, I think. But yeah, I also add that, you know, our body, I'll talk to YouTube for a little bit. Hey, YouTube family. Our body has, you know, it's operated off of a lot of chemical reactions, a lot of electrical signals, and so basically all this is doing is looking at the electrical signal part. I mean, there's lots of electrical signals that go from your brain to your arms to everything else to get things moving and get things going, and so yeah, it's so important that we can just kind of look at all that and get a little reading. And so, hey, what's going on? Yeah, we're chatting it up here. Yeah, getting my Zyto Scan. Malik, can you maybe share what's going on with what he's saying and his little explanation here as well?
Yeah, so well, you're actually almost finished here. It was playing a little video, so it kind of helps people feel comfortable, you know, describe what's going on. Mm-hmm. So it's, like I said, it's a very non-invasive test. Now, we don't recommend doing it more than every 6 weeks because it does actually ask your body for a lot of questions, and so it can confuse it if you do it repeatedly one after the other. So we don't recommend that. Mm-hmm. But every 6 weeks is definitely something to kind of keep yourself on track so you can feel the healthiest, the most vibrant, and that you're using the right supplements, the right natural solutions, if that's what you're into, mm-hmm. To support your body's needs. So our bodies are changing constantly, and our emotions are changing constantly. Things happen every day that something different happens, so we are really a constant moving thing in our bodies. But we do have certain systems that definitely could use support in the world that we live in today.
Yes.
So,
I think I see the results there.
yeah, we are done.
All right.
So I said out of 72 biomarkers, are you ready to know the number that you're out of balance?
Oh goodness. What's the damage?
Okay, so you have 38.
What?
Out of balance. So that's about average. It's not overly or anything, and a lot of times it could be one supplement that could help a lot of those different, you know, that's 72 biomarkers. That's a lot of biomarkers in the body. So, right. You know, each organ has different biomarkers that it's reading. So don't be alarmed if it's a little bit higher than you hoped. So the first supplements recommended is kind of a liver and a kidney cleansing. So that would be number 1 recommended for you. And then we also have another supplement that can kind of help with DNA damage repair to the body. Okay. So whether our body has been damaged from birth, or you know, our DNA was not ideal when we were born, or we have damage throughout our life because lifestyle or you know,
diet, all that stuff.
Diet or things out of our control, like the air, the water, the smog that we breathe in Las Vegas here.
The secondhand smoke in casinos.
Hi Teresa, glad you made it home. Okay, so that's number 2. The third one is a supplement that it's kind of a relaxation, kind of a massaging, kind of help the body with the circulatory system. Okay. So I know you've been working out a little extra than normal. So have you been feeling it?
Yeah, I actually am. I'm pretty sore every day now.
So maybe recommend going for a massage or using the supplement that can help with that circulation, help everything just kind of calm it down and relax.
Yeah, that sounds good. Hey, anyone want to give me a massage?
Hey.
Yes. No, I'm just kidding. No, but I'm serious.
Sign up now. Okay, and we have 2 more here, 2 little ones. So we do have a little bit in the respiratory department. And that as well could be due to that you are exercising more. You need a little more oxygen to you run a lot. You've been running here and there and everywhere. I know that. So, you know. Yeah. we all could use a little help with our lungs and, you know, better breathing and that kind of thing. So there's just a little bit there. And then the very last one is a supplement that again addresses a little bit on the liver.
I just removed my hand from the Zyto.
Yeah.
My hand was like stuck. I was like, I don't know what to do. Okay, so another one for the liver, you said?
Yeah, just one.
Oh, one?
This is a specific supplement though, as well. And a lot of times that is really good to detox heavy metals out of the body.
Yeah.
So.
And what is also recommended on here, right, is depending on how many biomarkers are out of balance, we go with what, the top one first, because that allows us to go after the most biomarkers that are out of balance.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yeah, usually it's the highest. The highest number is usually first on your test results. And so anyone that wants to get the testing done, Lance is going to get this whole results emailed to him so he can go over exactly what is recommended and why and what it does in the body. We always do consultations. The first consultation is always free for anyone to come and get their self scanned. For all of our wholesale customers, we do quarterly scans, so you can get a free scan 4 times a year. And then for anyone that is a retail customer, then I only do, it's a $20 session that I offer. So you get scanned, you get nutritional consultation. We go through all the supplements that's recommended, go through your diet and your whole lifestyle to put you on a plan to get you back on track. So.
Yes, and I will review what supplements are out of balance for me based on that and start using them. So, I probably need some more awareness as to what's going on in my body. So, yeah.
I know you'll get right on it, Lance. You're really good about that. So,
Yes.
this is super, it's been super fun.
Yeah.
Exciting. I'm glad we have this up and running again. So, if anyone's interested, you can, Dave, the woman who changed my life. Wow, that's a great compliment. So yeah, anyone that we just contact us, we can set an appointment and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Man,
Yes, thank you everyone for watching on Instagram.
stay healthy, stay on track.
Yes, hit up Malie or hit me up depending on who you're connected with, and we can give you more information about the Zyto Scan and go from there, or at least some type of game plan to help you get your health back on point. I feel like I gotta look in like 3 different directions, like constantly.
Yeah,
I'm like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, boom, boom, boom. But no, it's cool, it's fun. But yeah, just let us know if you want to learn more, and we'd be happy to share that information with you.
All right.
Okay, yeah, okay. For YouTube, hey,
Okay.
like, comment, subscribe,
Share.
leave a comment below if there's a particular health concern that you want to be addressed. Or make sure to hit the like button if you got some value out of today's video. And other than that, I'll see you in the next video. And for Instagram,
Lance McGowan on YouTube.
yeah, just YouTube Lance McGowan. If you haven't already on Instagram, love y'all, my family over there. Just YouTube search Lance McGowan, or just hit the link in my bio and we'll hook it up and you get some
And I'm
information.
gonna go catch a plane to New York, so I'll see you guys later.
Bye everybody. Bye.